Hello and welcome to this little video. This is Classic Mini NLA. This is the Classic Mini SPI injector. It's actually common to the Metro as well, the Metro 1.1. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you the replacement of these two seals. You'll see on here it's a light grey one here and there's a darker one at this end. This injector's been partially cleaned up already, which is why it looks nice. Here's one, it doesn't look so nice. I have to clean this up at some point. It's not looking too bad at the nozzle end, but as you can see, it's got all sorts of crud on it. Anyway, but that's for a future one. I'll do a future video on that. So what we're going to do should be fairly quick and painless. You want to take this big one out first. As you can see, this is like a dentist prong thing, but any spike will help you. You can have a kebab stick or something might help you. You'll see there's a little notch just on the edge here, and that's what I use. I go in here, hook that underneath there. Sometimes this snaps, and what you're trying to do, oh, look, it snapped. There you go. So that makes that one easy, but that gives you an example of how brittle these things are. There's one broken O-ring. So that's the reason why you need to replace them. Let's try and do the other end. This one generally won't break, which is fine. Don't really want them to break. So what I'm doing is I stick it underneath there, and then you want to manipulate it over that little ridge, over the guard. I'm trying to do it so you can see what I'm doing. You can see it's partially over now, and you just want to roll it round, and over you go. There you go, that's off. That's the two O-rings off. Just put it down there so you can see in its naked glory. Remember, that's what they look like when they're really cruddy. So we'll do the little one first. It's the reverse process. You pop it in like that. As you can see, I've been working on my car, hence my fingernails are awful. So what you want to do is you want to get this little spike carefully underneath like that. And again, what you want to do is you want to roll it over that lip and roll it round. And it should just pop in, and then you can just remove. There you go. So these are the replacement seals that I sell. They're Viton rubber, so very long lasting. The next one, we just pop it over here. You might be able to do this one without actually using the pronger, technical term pronger. So you just ease it over, just roll it over the lip. Roll it over the lip, roll it over the lip, and roll it over the lip. And there you go. One seal, in fact two seals, nicely in place. And that injector is now set to go.